guys, so we got a windy day. I'm gonna get down low and try to get below the wind here. So when you're out bottom fishing, you gotta, when you catch fish, get yourself your ice in your cooler, get some salt water in it, and make a nice saltwater brine. And you'll see this will start filling up with water. And you want to just have the ice in the water, and what that does is it becomes super, super cold. Salt water with ice actually gets colder than fresh water with ice. And then you put your fish in there, they'll stay just like when you first caught it. You get back home, it keeps the color, and most importantly, they stay at a good temperature so you don't get anybody sick when they're eating the fish, or yourself or your family. Give it a go next time you're out bottom fishing with your family, and let me know how it works out for you.